Hi guys, I'm Cheng, and today we're going to talk about the first ever stock to IPO and know what is an IPO. So do you know that the first ever company to IPO was the Dutch East India Company, also called the VOC for short? Have you guys wondered what is an IPO? So an IPO stands for an initial public offering. So basically it refers to the process of offering up the shares of a company to the public for the first time ever. So through an IPO, companies are able to raise the capital through selling the shares of the company to the public. Such capital can be used by the company for many things, right? For example, it can be used to improve or expand its business. Should you invest in an IPO? So let me ask you guys a question. So during an IPO, who do you guys think have more information about the company? Is it yourself or the seller of the shares of the IPO company? So basically the answer is that often the seller of the shares of the IPO company often have more information about the company than the buyers. So this means that the buyers have a lot of uncertainty over the information of the company. So with so much uncertainty over such information, will you be willing to take the risk to invest in such a company? So ultimately, that is for you to decide. Let me give you an example of how risky this uncertainty over the information of a company can be. One example of how risky it is when investing in an IPO company can be seen in the case study of Grab, right? So basically, Grab IPO'd on the Nasdaq on 2nd December 2021 at a price of around $12 per share. However, ever since its IPO, Grab has not been profitable. So as a result of this, its share price has plummeted to around $3 per share. But this means that if you have invested in Grab ever since its IPO, you'll be down around 75% as of today. So that's actually a pretty huge loss. Okay, so personally, I try to stay away from investing in an IPO company as I often do not have enough information about an IPO company to effectively evaluate it. So without such adequate information, I fear that I may be investing in a lousy business with slim growth prospects. So that is my view about investing in an IPO company. So what do you guys think? Will you guys invest in an IPO company? Comment down below and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.